How to add link to an image on Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add link to an image on Canva. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, make sure that you have image ready on Canva. Now, if you want to add link to this image on Canva, you need to simply go ahead and select the image. Once you selected the image, you can see the three dots that says more. Go ahead and click on that. Once you do that, you need to scroll down a little bit, and from here you can see the link option. Simply go ahead and click on that. Now here you can add link that you want to add to your image. Let's say I want to add www.youtube.com. Now once you do that, you need to simply go ahead and click on done. Then you need to click on done again. Now if you click the image, you can see that the link pops up. Now let's see if this works or not. In order to check it, you need to go ahead and click on share. From here you need to click on download. Now, the link does not work if you download it in the form of JPG or PNG. You need to only download it in the form of PDF. Now, once you do that, you need to click on download. Now, you need to go ahead and click on save. Now that the download has been completed, let's go ahead and check whether the link works or not. You need to simply go ahead and click on that. So, you need to simply go ahead and click on the place where you added the link. As you can see that YouTube is now open. And that's it. You now know how to add link to an image on Canva. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.